Hey guys, Eleni here, and I'm going to show you how you can change and use your mouse click with liteCam HD. First you need to open liteCam, which I've already done, and then you can open up your mouse click from the toolbar or in the settings. I like doing it in the settings, and then you can decide if you want to record your pointer, you can change the default, and then you can also change left click and right click and change the colors that you want. Once you have the colors chosen, you can press OK and start recording your screen. When you start recording, you'll be able to right click and left click automatically and see the colors appear. You're not going to be able to see your pointer shadow until you stop your video and watch the preview. These tools are really good, especially for a presentation or demonstration. I use them all the time. When you're done, you can stop your video, go back, and start recording again. Thanks for watching.